So before going further, I will be like to discuss something about station and access point. So basically, I will be using this Wi-Fi module as a station, not as the access point. As I will be explaining you further, I will be using my mobile phone to create access point. So basically, this chip or Wi-Fi module can function both ways, access point or station. I will be sharing this link in YouTube below. So the question arises that how can I mean to say how can I convert my mobile phone to like access point. So basically it's very simple. We have to just go to personal hotspot and you have to click in personal hotspot. So here we can see that it just converted into personal hotspot. So it basically acts as a Wi-Fi access point. So this is the program I have written. Basically this program we can run in Arduino. So this is the Arduino IDE. The program demonstrate how to scan network and how to measure RSSI, like already I have discussed. So before doing this, I will like to little bit explain how what's the program is like. So earlier I have used this to include various libraries. So you can see that include ESP. So I have used the inbuilt library. So no need to write extra library for that. I have defined LED. Actually, what I have done, I have used two LEDs here to demonstrate that this green LED is for the signal strength is good and red is for signal strength like actually not good for communication or Wi-Fi network communication. So this is the chip. So I have already integrated the two LED to the program. I will be explaining. So here you can see I have defined this both LEDs and I have adjusted the baud rate to this actually you have seen like 1,15,000 and I have defined the pin modes to be output. So here we can see I have defined the Wi-Fi to station mode. So for that I have used the Wi-Fi mode keyword, Wi-Fi station. So here you can see that the loop starts, the scanning loop start. Here basically the loop scans various nearby networks accordingly. So here if no network is found, it will retain no networks. If network is found, it will network found, various networks will be found. So basically what I have done further, like I have selected my mobile so that specifically it will give so many networks nearby. So we are interested in our access point, which is I will be configuring my mobile phone to demonstrate the signal strength. So basically I have filtered out my access point. My access point will be my personal mobile phone. Here I have written. So this SSID I have used it so that this SSID we will getting the RSSI, received signal strength delegation. Instead of getting so many signals like access point network nearby, I have just selectively chosen this. Okay, so further going the program, if after scanning my access point, so it will return back the SSID will be like this I have already mentioned, and the RSSI value. So in the loop I have defined some values, Wi-Fi value, and stored it in like I have defined one integer Wi-Fi value and stored the RSSI value in Wi-Fi value. So if the value is greater than some, I have defined it 20, you can define it anything. So if greater than 20 minus 20 equal to minus 20, it means that the signal strength is good. So our green LED should be blinking up. So this, if it's not it's not meeting the requirement, above requirement this, so it will be giving a signal like in monitor to adjust the Wi-Fi router. Also it will pop send LED indication regarding the poor strength. So finally we'll be printing the value and the loops continues till our Arduino or Wi-Fi chip is on.